Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. The question says hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2, acts both as an oxidizing and as a reducing agent in alkaline solution towards certain first row transition metal ions. Illustrate both these properties of hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2, using chemical equations. So, let's first understand the key concept involved in this question. So, जो key concept involved हुआ है, it is understanding the dual role or dual nature of hydrogen peroxide H2O2, that is H2O2, as both oxidizing agent and as reducing agent. That too, they are specifically mentioned, that is in alkaline solution. Particularly, they are reacting with first row transition metal ions. So, we'll first define what is oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidizing agent. So, oxidizing agent को oxidant भी कहा जाता है. Therefore, an oxidant is a substance that gains electrons in a chemical reaction and in the process what happens, and causes another substance to lose electrons. So, एक ऑक्सीडेंट और ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट क्या करता है, खुद इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करता है बट दूसरे सब्सटेंस को इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करने में हेल्प करता है. सो दैट इज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. So, during the reaction what happens, oxidizing agent is reduced. Therefore, it is reduced during the reaction. So, oxidizing agent क्या करता है, oxidizing agent खुद reduce होता है बट दूसरे को oxidize करता है. Now, we'll see what is an reducing agent. So, reducing agent का दूसरा नाम है reductant. Therefore, a reductant is a substance that loses electron in a chemical reaction and in the process what it does, causes another substance to gain electrons. So, what it does, it is oxidized during the reaction. It is oxidized during the reaction. So reducing agent क्या करता है, खुद ऑक्सीडाइज होता है but it reduces the other species. So now we'll see which of the metals comes under first row transition elements. First row transition metals. So it comes scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. So these are the first row transition elements. So now among these we'll react with two of them and try to understand both the properties. So H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide, as an oxidizing agent. So for that we'll see a particular reaction, oxidizing agent. So H2O2 can oxidize, that is hydrogen peroxide can oxidize ferrous ion, that is Fe3 plus, to ferric ion, that is Fe2 plus, in alkaline solution. So Fe is a first row transition metal. Fe3 plus and 2 plus are their metal ions. So now we'll see the reaction. So 2 moles of Fe2 plus H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide, plus 2 OH minus gives 2 Fe3 plus 2 H2O. So here Fe2 plus has been changed to Fe3 plus. So here the oxidation state of iron is increased from 2 plus to 3 plus. That is, here oxidation is occurring. So if it is oxidizing the other species, that itself says that H2O2 in this case is acting as oxidizing agent, but itself it is getting reduced to H2O, that is water. So in H2O2 oxygen has -1 oxidation state, and in H2O it has -2 oxidation state. So here the oxidation state is getting decreased, therefore here reduction is taking place. So definition, according to definition of oxidizing agent, H2O2 is getting reduced and it is oxidizing Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. So now we'll see the next role of H2O2, that is H2O2 as a reducing agent. So here H2O2 can reduce permanganate ion, that is MnO4 minus, permanganate ion to manganate ions, that is MnO4 2 minus, in alkaline solution. So now we'll see the respective reaction for this. So 2MnO4 minus plus H2O2 plus 2OH minus gives 2MnO4 2 minus plus 2H2O. So here oxidation state of manganese is +7, and here in product side the oxidation state of manganese is +6. So the oxidation state value is getting decreased. Therefore here reduction is taking place. Hence H2O2 in this reaction is acting as a reducing agent. So therefore we have both written both the nature of H2O2 as oxidizing agent and as a reducing agent. Hope you all have understood this. All the best.